Thorn. You ride me like a racehorse.
Sir David, I will return tomorrow. If you have not unlocked the device's secrets, forget your dogs and horses. I will leave you to the wolves. Good day.
I was merely promised a tour of the premises, my lords.
Who sent you?
It's one of Green's spies.
Get that man to interrogation. Then I want him brought to the lab.
What a pity. But no deviations from the mission.
Target's clear! We'll get ya! Not Rooster, It's Mrs. She's not allowed here!
Nearly there.
She's not allowed here! She's quick! You've got to overpower her, get her! Who's she? Wait till I get hold of ya! I'll give you a damn good hiding! Ready to blow her brains out! There she is! Get away! She's in my sights!
Thank you kindly. I was in ever such a squeaky fix when, what do you know? You rescue me.
Where's the hidden laboratory?
Untie me and then we can parley, my lady.
I'm pressed for time. Tell me now.
It's underground. Requires a key. One of the guards nicked mine, cheeky sod.
Thank you.
Now untie me?
You got yourself in. I trust you can get yourself out again.
Not to worry, my lady. Can still recall a couple of tricks from me carnival days.
Charming.
whatever butcher's downstairs then. I want to see that artifact.
Not if you value your life.
Hey, leave them rats alone. They've as much right to be here as you.
Mind your own post. I'll feed him to me cat.
Poor little rats. Downstairs into the passage quietly.
You, remain vigilant. Hold the key close.
Yes, sir.
Stop her! She's an intruder! Back up! She can't walk away! This is the last round! Enjoy!
Make me proud, mate! We sing a different tune once I'm through here.
Got it.